One is raised in your midst, who came after the former, and you discern it not. See with your eyes and listen with your heart to the eyes of a man, for they are the windows to his soul. If the eyes are dark, then how great the darkness! Trust your guts on this, for out of your belly shall flow living water. This one has risen, and says all the right things, at all the right times, but he is not mine. This man is a thief and impostor, the enemy's finest deception, for an hour of elevation to the false glory, as the true bride in real glory also arises, and the two kingdoms come head to head. The false church that was prophesied for the last days rises in its religious spirit, and how true do her garments appear, having a form of godliness, but denying the power thereof. His tongue is as trained as the finest of circus animals for a fine show. Yet listen with your heart, and you will know the true sound of this man, echoing his evil chambers. A crown for a fool, for he places words and phrases in the right places, with the correct tone and emotional expression, but I tell you, he is not mine. He is a terror who has risen up to supplant the true prophets and lead you into chaos. For the devil loves chaos and fear, feeding on your reaction as one without hope. His humility is false. He beams with joy at the deception he has initiated and his instant fame. He is the wolf he has warned you about, only that wolves don't announce who they are until it is too late. Great deception. This man is trained lifelong for such a time as this. He worships Lucifer, his light bearer, and not the living God. See his Cheshire grin. See his arrogance and feigned humility. The Lord is not fooled but enraged at how quickly you gather the teachers, according to your own desires and lust and greed. Aha! As one quote you fit this description. He scrambles now to play the part perfectly, but in the dark when no one watches, his true colors show as he worships the Prince of Darkness in all manner of wickedness and lasciviousness. He squints his eyes and chumps up his face and fools you. His pouting lips and spirit of seduction pull you in, and you watch and hang on his every word and expression. He steals from the Most High. He is a phony, a fake, a fraud, a plant, a deceiver. And oh, how great a deception in this hour, for the things he accuses others of doing, persecuting him and being carnal as a prophet, he himself is the poster child for. A wicked face on a wicked man with a wicked family, who fools those callous to their flesh, who are trained to doubt their discernment and compromise the light of life, or who have not known the true light all along. Playing the part to fool you, yet he has no anointing to move you, for he started in fear and torment of the flock, with great false humility and joy at the success of his operation. And now he is unhappy he must dance the Christian jig, as his true jig is up. And soon he will drink the wrath of my cup, for his city will burn with fire, and he must pay back sevenfold what he has taken. For my precious gems will not be forsaken. Fret not that this charlatan whore succeeds for a time, for I see all things and don't miss one thing, and in the end to glory I will raise mine.